Why do you have the hiccups? Are you broken? Why are you like this? Yeah? Tell me more. Mm-hmm. Wow. Yeah. That's an amazing story. I'm really glad we're talking about this. Are we done with hiccups? No, we're not. Now are we done? I think we're done. Oh, no, one last one. There, okay. Oh, no. Okay.